boys and girls. This is Mrs. Pellegrini with a couple reminders for those friends who join us in the mornings for breakfast. Boys and girls, first, please make sure that you're coming to the multi-purpose room right away with your backpack still on. Do not stop by your classroom first. Second, when you're in the multi-purpose room, please stand in a straight and safe line while you're waiting to get your food. Third, listen to the teachers that are in the multi-purpose room so that we can help you find a seat and so that you can start eating your food right away. Fourth, all students must eat breakfast in the multi-purpose room. You can't take any food out of the multi-purpose room, especially milk or applesauce. If you come to school and breakfast is already closed, you can come down to the office after morning announcements to get a snack that you can eat in your classroom. And finally, remember that breakfast ends at 8:12 in the morning so that all students are back in their classroom by 8:15 by the time that the breakfast begins. We're looking forward to seeing you in the morning for a great breakfast.